My woodworking journey started in my grandfather's shop. We spent so much time together crafting, learning, and making memories. But I'll never forget how particular he was about the little things, like doing it his way, or what goes where. Now, in my own shop, I do things the way I want. For my equipment, I've always loved what Powermatic stood for. It's what my grandfather had. With the new ArmorGlide technology, the wood slides effortlessly across the table, giving me the control and accuracy my projects demand. And don't even get me started on that messy scrubbing and waxing. ArmorGlide means my table is maintenance-free. Plus, I never have to worry about finding rust spots on my machine from drops of sweat I could have sworn I wiped off. My grandfather always said that Powermatic machines were made tough. When you use one with ArmorGlide, you can tell it's no different. Greenwood, oak, take your pick. ArmorGlide handles them no problem. But really, when it comes down to it, the machine is just a joy to use. With the dark surface, I can easily see where I'm cutting. I've got so much control and I feel confident as I navigate my cuts. If only my grandfather could see me today, the woodworker he inspired me to be. This is a new generation of products for the next generation of woodworkers.